To use voice typing on Poco C85, you have to start by opening the settings and you have to check if you already turn it on. So you have to go to the additional settings, go to the languages and input, click to manage keyboards. First of all, make sure that you turn on the Google voice typing, and when you do this, you have to click on this to open some other options. I can recommend you to turn off this option to block offensive words filter, because sometimes some words will be not recognized. And what I can also recommend you to download offline speech, because the voice typing is only working when you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So for example, if you are offline and you want to make notes, you will be not able to do this. So to do that, you have to just click to add a language and simply download your language pack by clicking on this like this, and you have to click on this downloading button and you have to wait until it will be downloaded. Now you can also change this option for updates. I can recommend you to switch for the mobile plus the Wi-Fi, and that's everything. Now you have to go back from this one, go to the Gboard. Now go to the voice typing and make sure that it's also turned on over here. Now you have to just open your keyboard and click on this microphone icon. Accept permission to the microphone for your keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can see now, we can speak now. When you are just try to use it for the first time, it's not working properly, but after like 2-3 times, your voice will be recognized much better, and that's how you can actually use this feature.